Here we go. The 2 months since we drove this Skyline and we're going again. Let's hope that it drives a lot better. Golf GTI Skyline. We're gonna go to Gravity Car Show. Let's get straight to it. What? Ooh, I like driving. We were a band from here once upon a time. Again?
Where do you want to head to?
I'll go through there and get as close as possible. I don't want to walk. It's fine. It's close enough.
Yeah.
I love this car, you know. I love this car. That's not a GTR, by the way.
You can tell by the body in it.
Yeah. Your jaw will drop when you know it, like you can tell from far. It looks like a race car. Nikhil's gonna update his collection. Whoa. That is so sick. I like this as well. This car is so famous. Look how low it is. It's bag. That is so sick. I could never have one of them. I'd lose the car show. Whoa! If you ever want to work on a car, get a car like that. You could work on it. Wow, there's your thing, man. Wow, that is mad. Them rims look dangerous. Someone's gonna hurt their finger. How does this guy drive? Sick! Wow. So sick. Kick design rims. Sticks out. Yeah, man. Don't hurt yourself. You can't. You'd get traction in them. It's very unique, you know. Colour as well, look at that. Attention to detail. They are too long. Love the colour of it. Love the colour of it. Satin blue. Amazing colour. Wow. Yeah. JDM. Wow, okay. That's it, get those pictures, man. Get the RB, man. The brakes are beautiful as well. AP Racing. Wouldn't mind being one of those. Massive strut brace as well, that is. I like the exhaust. And yes, we did it right. Oh, jeez. Yes, man. 1000 brake. That is sick. Full walker, man. Wow. That is really nice actually. When you jumps, do you feel good?
No, not really.
Love. You paid how much?
Just over 3 million.
3 million. How long have you had it and why have you bought it?
I have 70 cars.
70.
Yeah.
Is that,
So
your, most,
this is
that your most expensive?
no.
Oh. Okay, only one question. What do you do for a living?
What do I do for a living?
Yeah.
Where do you like shopping most? In shopping malls?
Yeah.
That's what I do.
Shopping. Wow. And would you say this is your most favorite hobby?
Which one is?
No.
And,
I got other cars.
do you have any advice on on how to be like successful at work? Any advice?
You know, I've been asked that twice today, 3 times. I left school at 15, right?
Yeah.
76 years ago,
Yeah.
and I'm still working. So I've been working for more than 60 years. After working for 60 years, sometimes you can afford it. It took me 60 years.
Wow.
It's, you know, listen, I made my money, but then not everything was sweet. I lost on some things made, but over the years I've made enough to have a big collection of cars.
What's your favourite one?
Your favorite car?
I've got a very rare 1953 D-Type, like David, D-Type Jaguar, which was raced by Mike Hawthorne of the 50s. One of the rarest in the world.
Do you have a Bugatti?
I have a Bugatti Chiron, but that's not one like that. But we have a lot of Mercs, all the gull wings and the convertibles and the things, and all the Lambos from 350, 400, Countach, Muir, Aventador, one thing. We have different sections.
Did you drive this here or did you get it?
No, we've done 7,000 miles in this. Really? In a year and a bit. Yeah, my wife goes to the supermarket now.
What?
Goes to Waitrose. Absolutely.
Where do you drive, like in the UK or different countries?
Everywhere.
Really?
We drive all our cars. We don't sit and look at them. It's no good looking at them. It's like me saying to you, the car you've got, do you leave it in your drive at home? You get in it, don't you? You get in and drive it.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
If there wasn't a Lambo, I'd drive this instead. Jesse. Huh? do some squats. That's the most important thing. Here we go! Cheers, man. Yeah. Okay. Respect, bro. Respect, man. I really want a dirt bike in here, really. Oh, yeah.
Give it the money. Rev it, rev it, rev it, rev it, rev it, rev it.
Proper levers. Hey, call it a day. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
You and Donald for my Snapchat.
Nah, I can't, man. I'll do a bang. It's a crazy day on the Gravity Car Show, and if you guys enjoyed it, tell me what you think. Drop a comment. See you next video. Here's Mark 5, not Mark 7 GTIs. What position is that? Oh wow.
Ease of entry across there, and that's it.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.